Hi everyone, for today's video, I'm going to show you on how we are going to open Trust Wallet on our PC. Let's get started. So once we are here on our browser, what we need to do then is to type in Trust Wallet. So just like for example, we have here, and right after that, we will be routed on this part. So we're just going to scroll down. And if we can notice here, Trust Wallet, and there is a Google, so we need to click this. And basically, we will be routed on this part wherein there is a Google extension. So technically, we are going to make this one as one of our extensions. So we're going to add that and click confirm for adding as an extension. So technically, it is now on process. So we will just be waiting for this one to completely load. All right, so Trust Wallet is now added as an extension on our PC. So in order for us to open this, so we can go ahead and open a new tab, and we are going to click the extension icon. And if you notice, we have here the Trust Wallet. We're just going to click that. And basically, we will be routed on this part. So if we do have an existing account, so basically we can just go ahead and click import or recover wallet. But on the other hand, if we don't have an account yet, what we can do is to create a new wallet. So we're just going to click this one. And basically, we just need to fill in the necessary information. So right after that, we're going to click next. And we're going to click show. And we can go ahead and proceed. So technically that was correct then. So this time we're just going to click no thanks. So at this time, we now successfully imported our wallet. So this time we can now open that. And we now have here our account. So there you have it. That's how we are going to open our Trust Wallet using our PC or desktop. I hope this video was helpful. Until the next one.